there are three problems that can occur in the gut that may lead to health troubles. Problem number 1. Imbalanced gut microbiome, also known as gut dysbiosis. There are several ways in which dysbiosis may occur, including more harmful microbes than beneficial ones, overgrowth of a pathogen, not enough beneficial bacteria, and not enough diversity of microbes. There are multiple things that may cause dysbiosis, such as C-sections. Babies born vaginally acquire beneficial bacteria from their mothers in the birth canal. Formula feeding. Breastfeeding may be better for the microbiome of the baby, but this depends on the health of the mother and the quality of the formula. Antibiotic use. Antibiotics kill beneficial bacteria in addition to harmful bacteria. GI infections, food poisoning, traveler's diarrhea, and stomach bugs disrupt the balance of the microbiome. Poor diet. A diet too high in refined sugar and starches, inflammatory fats such as fried food, or alcohol. Low fiber. A diet too low in fiber or vegetables can cause dysbiosis. Chronic stress. Chronic stress can cause pathogenic microbes to thrive and overgrow. Toxins. Toxins found in the environment and food can cause dysbiosis. Low stomach acid. Stomach acid kills pathogenic microbes that are ingested along with food, but it may be reduced with aging or by taking antacids. Symptoms of dysbiosis may include bloating, distension, tiredness, diarrhea, constipation, urgency to use the bathroom, gassiness, pain and cramping, food intolerance and sensitivities, and a large number of illnesses. Problem number 2, increased intestinal permeability, also known as leaky gut. The lining of the intestinal wall is one cell thick and determines what materials in the gut enter the body via the bloodstream. With proper intestinal permeability, this wall will let the appropriate things, such as vitamins and fully digested proteins, through and keep the harmful things out. When one has increased intestinal permeability, leaky gut, bacteria, undigested food, toxins, and waste may leak into the bloodstream and enter the body. Leaky gut may be caused by a variety of factors, such as dysbiosis, where pathogenic microbes can injure the lining of the intestine, infections, parasites, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, candida, and other pathogens. Chronic stress, physical or emotional stress, including sleep deprivation. Gluten. Gluten increases zonulin, a protein which may increase intestinal permeability. Inflammation. Inflammation on the gut wall from irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, or food sensitivities may injure the lining of the intestine. Medications such as aspirin, ibuprofen, prednisone, birth control pills, antacids, and antibiotics. Alcohol, cigarette smoking, chemotherapy and radiation, traumatic brain injury, surgery. Poor diet. Sugar, processed food, gluten, dairy, and inflammatory fats may impact permeability. Food sensitivities. High-intensity exercise. Symptoms of leaky gut may include fatigue, food sensitivities, bloating, diarrhea or constipation, joint pain, skin rashes, brain fog, concentration issues, headaches, anxiety and depression, and autoimmune diseases. Problem number 3, inflammation. Inflammation is the response of the immune system to any threat, infection, or injury. Healthy inflammation is a short-lived, targeted response. Chronic inflammation, which is more widespread throughout the body and continues for a long time, is unhealthy inflammation. Chronic inflammation may be caused by different factors, such as food sensitivity. The immune system perceives that food as a threat and will be in a state of inflammatory response whenever that food is consumed. Pathogenic microbe overgrowth in the gut. The continued presence of those microbes in the gut will cause continued inflammation. With chronic inflammation, there is serious and perpetual damage. In some people, the immune system mistakenly attacks its own cells. This is referred to as autoimmunity. Chronic inflammation can result in a wide variety of symptoms, diseases, and conditions.